Hey folks, Brian here. Today I'm looking again at the chainstay area, and you can see that I've put some black blobs of paint where the chain chipped away at the frame. And today I'm going to try to do something a little bit more permanent. Alright, first off I'm going to clean things up a little bit. Got a dirty rag, old undershirt here. And I've got some isopropyl alcohol. This chainstay area is pretty thick on this bike because we've got a lot of cables here. Looks pretty clean. I've still got some chips, so maybe I'll fill those in one last time with some paint. Okay, I got the Honda paint again ready to go. Took me a while to get it warmed up on a piece of cardboard. Let me try to fill in the blanks. It's not bad. There's not that much to clean up. Okay, I'm gonna let that rest for a bit. Alright, I got this inner tube. Supposedly can't be used anymore. And this section here, I'm gonna cut around here. Cut it off. Okay, took this off. Now I'm gonna cut this in half using one of the lines on here. Okay, so I've cut in half. Let's open it up. And I think this is a little bit wide again, right, for wrapping. Maybe I could cut it one more time to get two chainstay protectors out of one inner tube. Alright. Well, actually this one turned out to be a little thinner than the other one. Okay, I'm going to clean these off and then try putting them on the chainstay. Okay, got my rubber here. Going to try to wrap it around here first. Then I got some zip ties from Harbor Freight. I think it was $1.50 with a coupon. We'll start with one on each end. Probably, since these are Harbor Freight, they'll probably break when I put them on. Yeah, I can see why people take off their rear wheel now. This is going to be pretty annoying to do this. Okay, there's another zip tie there, so I'm going to have to stop. Okay. I don't know. It's black, it matches. It's not going to win a beauty contest, but... So, I think we can conclude it's gonna work. Since these are Harbor Freight zip ties, I'm kind of wondering if I should put two more just to be safe. This one. Two. Three. Alright, that's fine. I think it's gonna work. Let's check if the pedals work. Okay. Let's look at a close-up here. So we started wrapping at the end. Try to hide your zip ties better than I did here. Looks kind of ugly. We just wrapped it around and I put another two zip ties at the end. So now this chain should hit along this and it should be fine. Thanks for watching. See you later. Hope this helps. Bye.